sun dips low, paints the sky in flame. A quiet breeze whispers my name. Golden fields stretch far and wide, where time slows down and hearts abide. Golden fields where memories stay, caught in the glow of the fading day. Dreams take root and worries heal under the sky, in the golden fields.
The crickets hum their evening tune. The harvest moon will be rising soon. The scent of hay, the rustle of leaves. A moment like this is all I need. Golden fields where memories stay, caught in the glow of the fading day. Dreams take root and worries heal under the sky, in the golden fields. The years roll on like the river bends, but here in this light it never ends. Every sunset's a story sealed in the quiet grace of the golden fields. Golden fields where memories stay, caught in the glow of the fading day. Dreams take root and worries heal under the sky, in the golden fields.
The sun kissed the meadow, soft golden light.
The breeze whispered secrets, the day felt just right.
You stood in the doorway, lace catching the sun.
I knew in that moment our story begun. Together starts today, hand in hand we'll stay.
He
Through the storms and the laughter, every moment we're after.
together starts today, come what may. The sun kissed the meadow, soft golden light.
The breeze whispered secrets, the day felt just right.
You stood in the doorway,
lace catching the sun. I knew in that moment our story begun.
forever starts today. Hand in hand we'll stay, through the storms and the laughter. Every moment we're after, forever starts today. Come what may. The tires hum low on the old dirt lane. Dust kicks up like a memory's chain. Fields of gold stretch wide and free. The sky's an open map calling to me. Oh, the road back home, where the heart runs wild. Every mile feels like a whisper, soft and mild. Through the hills, past the pines, where I belong. The road back home sings a familiar song. The sun dips low, paints the world in red. Barns and fences, tales they've quietly said. I hear the creek, its gentle tune, guiding me under the harvest moon. Oh, the road back home, where the heart runs wild. Every mile feels like a whisper, soft and mild. Through the hills, past the pines, where I belong. The road back home sings a familiar song. The gravel crunches, a rhythm in time. Each bend in the road feels like a rhyme. Freedom's here in the still cool air. The weight of the world just isn't there. Oh, the road back home, where the heart runs wild. Every mile feels like a whisper, soft and mild. Through the hills, past the pines, where I belong. The road back home sings a familiar song. Sunlight drips like honey slow. Barefoot trails where daisies grow. We chase the breeze, we let it show. No clocks, no plans, just here we go. Barefoot Sunday, oh, we run away, kicking up dust in the golden ray. Laughter echoes all through the day. Barefoot Sunday, let's never stray.
stars hung low, a whispered tune under the spell of a pale lit moon. The lines on the road stretched far and thin, each mile a memory where we've been. Moonlight highway calling me home through the dark where I roam alone. The night wraps round a velvet shroud. Moonlight highway, no words headlights cut through a misty veil, a fleeting glimpse of a ghostly trail. The radio plays a distant cry, it fades to static, the stars collide. Every shadow holds a name, every turn feels the same. Moon highway calling me home through the dark where I roam alone. The night wraps round a velvet shroud. Moonlight highway, no words trees lean like they're trying to say, keep driving, child, don't drift away. The rearview mirror shows a past I knew, but the road ahead shines cold and true. Sunrise paints the kitchen gold, another story to be told. The rooster crows out in the yard, life ain't been too hard. I reckon steam from my cup reaches up. Morning coffee on the porch. Life ain't much more. Life ain't much more. Swing sways gentle to and fro, thinking about where I gotta go. if I can. Morning coffee on the porch. Life ain't much more. Life ain't much more. Worries fade like morning dew. Sky so clear and blue. Got all I need right here and now. Just listen to the cow. Dust on the dashboard, sun cracks the glass. Drive slow, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going fast. But there's a feeling in my bones, tells me I ain't far from home. Are there roads paved in gold? Are there stories yet untold? Are there rustic dreams to hold? I don't know. I don't know. Cracked leather seat, humming low and deep. The engine sighs a lonely song. Been singing it for long. But there's a feeling in my soul, tells me I am losing control. Are there roads paved in gold? Are there stories yet untold? Are there rustic dreams to hold? I don't know. I don't know.
Dust devils dance on the blacktop today, just like they did yesterday. And the day before that, the very same way. A lonely waltz in the heat, whispering pines, oh, they know my name. Whispering pines, they feel my pain. Do you feel it? Whispering pines, can you feel the rain? Grandpa built this porch with his own two hands, calloused and worn. He had big plans that faded away like footprints in sand. Now I sit here alone. Lord, I never thought I'd be here this way, just watching the light fade away. Whispering pines, oh, they know my name. Whispering pines, they feel my pain. Do you feel it? Whispering pines, can you feel the rain? The wind sighs low through the needles so green, a sad, sweet song, the saddest I've seen, like the ghost of a love that might have been lost in the tall grass. Sunrise paints the highway gold, another story to be told. Small town living ain't for everyone, I know, but it's the only place I wanna go. Yeah, the city lights shine, but they ain't as bright as you and I. Small town sunset burning in the sky, small town sunset, you and I. feel the fire rise. Small town sunset. Got a dog named Blue and a sky so true. Front porch swinging easy, life ain't always breezy. Small town sunset burning in the sky. Small town sunset, you and I. Small town sunset, feel the fire rise. Small town sunset. Small town frame, nothing ever gonna be the same. Let it go, let it all go. Watch the river flow. Small town sunset burning in the sky. Small town sunset, you and I. Small town sunset, feel the fire.